I am a retired Southern Baptist minister. I happen to be over at the local golf course getting ready for a benefit golf scramble. And on the way out, I'd felt some pain in my shoulder and in my arm and in my chest, but I'd work out pretty frequently and I didn't attribute it to anything other than muscle strain. After the meeting, I'd gotten into the car and I started feeling a pain in my jaw, and I knew then that this had to be a heart attack. I went ahead and proceeded over to TriStar Greenview, which was only 2 blocks away. The next thing I knew, there was a team around me, and they knew what they were doing, and they took care of me immediately. They also called Lana to let her know what was going on. And I don't know everything they told her, but I do know there was a heart behind that telephone call. It was not a perfunctory, I need to let the next of kin know, but that here's somebody who loves the patient and needs to be brought into the reality of the moment gently, and also assuredly that their loved one is being taken care of. I was born with scoliosis, which is a curvature of the spine, which means that traditional means of putting a stent in would not be the way to work. And so I immediately went the route of inserting them through the wrist. There was nothing that made me feel like this was going to be a problem or out of the ordinary. I heard nothing that elevated voices or anything that was emotive from the staff. When you see in their eyes, when you see or hear in their voice that we're in control here, that this is not something that's surprising us, that's the kind of stuff that makes a patient feel good. I feel fine. I've gone back to my previous regimen and have gotten almost to where I was before. Confident care makes all the difference.